To the Cebuanos, I know you know that you are powerful. You are rich. You are vote rich. Right? You are vote rich. You are a historical, this is a historical place. No? The home of democracy. As we know it. Tama? Kayo po, ang daming undecided according to our studies. So maraming, ibig sabihin, nag-iisip. So I encourage you to keep thinking. But I encourage you, sana po, huwag sa isa lang makinig. Pakinggan niyo po lahat. Kasi po, pag nakita niyo lahat, makikita niyo po, tama ang sinasabi namin. That this is one of the worst times in Philippine political history. This is a repeat of the martial law, as we expected. So, ang message ko lang po sa inyo, I'm not asking you to vote blindly, but I'm asking you to two words lang po. Two words that you've heard so many times. Vote wisely. Vote wisely. Kawawa po ang Pilipinas. Kawawa ang politics natin. And we have taken so many steps back in the past few years. So bahala na po kayo mga kaigsuunan sa Cebu to vote wisely and vote with your brain.